I am 25 years old now, and if you are within the age of 18 to 25, don't waste your time. So make sure you don't waste that youthful age that you are having within that period, because I have wasted almost this period, and I've known the lessons that I've learned on the way, and I wish if I know this I wouldn't have done it, or I would have been a better person. That's why I'm also sharing it with you guys, so that you can know the path that you need to follow when you're within this particular age range, so that you can change your life for better. So make sure you're watching this video from beginning to the end, so that you will not miss any important step in this video. And let me give you guys some quick tips there. A lot of us, or a lot of people from the age of 18 to 25 years, they don't always know the specific path to follow to change their life for better, and they are always doubting, what should I do to change my life for better. They don't always have a specific goal or a specific target that they are targeting, that I need to do this to change my life for better. And we are just programmed that you need to go to school. From this age to this age, you need to be in school. But here's the case that many of people within this age, some of them are not able to go to school, and some people, they also go to school, but there is a lot of problems that they are facing, which I'm going to be addressing it here, and how to cope with it and how to solve it. So make sure you are with me all the way. So first of all, a lot of people within this age, some are in colleges, some are in senior high schools, and some are in universities, and some too, they haven't gone to school. Some are stay at home, some are unemployed, and some are struggling with health conditions. And in this period, if you are fit, you are healthy, and you are within this age, this is what I want you to do. If you are a student, I want to start with those who are students. If you are a student, because I've been a student before, and I think I'm still a student because I've completed college. So I'm a student, and you are also, maybe you are also a student. As I'm addressing student category, I'll go to those who are not who haven't gone to school yet, but I'm just addressing those who are student for now. If you're a student, this is what I want you to do. Don't put all your focus on education alone. I'm not against it that don't go to school. No, school is good. If you're going to school, it's not a bad thing. But this is what I want you to do. Don't put all your focus on education. Do this instant. Start to build passive incomes. Within this period of time. And passive incomes, many people will say, how am I going to do this, or what is passive income? Passive income is that it will reach a point that you're not working, and that particular thing is going to be generating money for you. That's passive income. That's what you need to do. That's passive income. And these are some of the things that you need to do to build passive income within this period of time. Make sure you are showing online within this period of time. Don't be the kind of person, if you are introvert, don't be the kind of person. If you are introvert, but try to show some kind of introvert, the way you live your life as introvert in this online space. If you are extrovert, that's a good thing. So it's an opportunity that you can use it to your advantage. So try to make videos about knowledge that you're having. If you're having knowledge or interest about something, try to make videos and post it on these platforms: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and a lot of these social media platforms. I don't mean that you should focus on these platforms. You should be doing all this at once. Just pick one platform. Because many people, they will start with all these platforms and they end up failing. So just pick one platform and master it. Make sure that you are showing up every day. Let's say it can be early in the morning, then you make a video and post on these platforms before going to class or so. So that's how it goes. So make sure you are showing on these platforms. And the reason why I say you should be showing on these platforms is that as you are showing on this platform, you're going to be building followers along the way. There is going to be a lot of people that are going to be seeing your videos, and if it is helpful to them or they find interest in your videos, they are going to be like following you. Some are going to be subscribing, and some are going to be following you. If it is on other platforms, they are going to be following you, and they are going to be subscribing to your channel, and you are going to be building online fans. That's as you are building these online fans, it will reach a point that you can monetize that particular videos that you have been posting for that period of time. It will reach a point that you can monetize that particular videos, and more to the point, it will be a point where somebody will be in need of your assistance, so that their product can get sold in the online space. In the online space, then you promote their product and you get paid by them. And time is going to also reach that you can sell digital product like ebooks, and so if it is some knowledge that you are also having, then you can also be doing consulting and a lot of things on the online space. Time is going to come, then you are going to be doing all that. And let's also move to those who, if you are not educated, sorry, let me not use educated. If you haven't gone to school, if you haven't gone to school and you are staying at home, you're not having a job, this is what I want you to also do. Also do the same thing. Try to post in the online space. Some people, they can't speak English. It is fine, or any legal language or so, but your local language, try to be speaking your local language. It's fine. Try to be speaking your local language. If you can't speak English or any language that is legal in your country, try to be speaking your local language and be posting it on this platform. Be making videos in your local language if you can't speak English. If you can also speak legal language like English, French, or anything, try to be making videos and be speaking in those languages and be posted. If you are having knowledge about something, or if you don't have any knowledge about something, you are finding it difficult to identify your knowledge or your skill, so just be posting your daily life activities, what you do in a day. Just try to be posting those kind of things in the online space. And these platforms, as I mentioned, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitter thread, and a lot of more. So try to pick one platform and be posting your daily lives on it, or if you are having a particular knowledge, try and be posting it on it. And you can also monetize by that affiliate marketing, drop shipping, selling of digital products, and consulting and coaching, subscription basis, and the platform is going to also pay you as well. There's a lot of ways to make money on these platforms as well. If you are a musician, do all that. And those who can also speak English, then also try to do the same thing. Speak English or speak any legal language. Be making videos about what you are doing or the knowledge that you are having, and be posting it on these platforms. As you are doing all that, you're going to be accumulating, or you're going to be gathering fans all over the world. It's all over the world. And sometimes you get help from fans. Because if a fan sees that you are in need of something, they can just volunteer and help you. That's fact. They can just volunteer and help you, and you're going to get a lot of recommendations all over. So make sure you don't sit and wait till you reach 50 years and above before doing all these things. And more to the point, I just mentioned the online aspect. Let's go to the offline aspect. The offline aspect, if you are having a business idea, don't feel like it is shame to try, or don't fear to try it. Just try it out. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, it is also fine. It is a way of learning, so don't fear to try it. If you are having a business idea, test it out and see if it works or not. If it will work or not, don't fear to try. As you within this age period, you can try anything, and if that thing doesn't work, then you still have enough time to still build yourself up. But when you make mistake and you waste this period of time till you reach 60 years and above, it is going to be difficult. I'm not saying within 60 years you can't build, but it is going to be difficult for you to do it within this period of time. So if you are within this age period that I just mentioned, make sure you take advantage of any opportunity that comes your way. Make sure you take opportunity, like advantage of any opportunity that comes your way. And more to the point, learn from friends and learn from the elders. If you're within this period, learn from the elders. If somebody is doing something that you are passionate about, come closer to the person and learn. Just learn from that person. If like maybe that person is doing something and you are having zeal that, oh, you want to be doing this kind of thing, then learn from that person. Make sure you come closer to the person. Ask the person good questions like, oh, please, I find this thing that you're doing interesting and I want to like learn from you. Can you assist me to also learn this particular skill? And that's good. And more to the point, if you are within this particular age period, make sure you are having a skill. You're having a skill that you can showcase it, like either online or offline. Make sure you are learning a particular skill, so that when like school doesn't favor you, if you're a student and school doesn't favor you, you come back on that particular skill and showcase it and make good amount of money on it. So I think this is where I'll leave you guys here. I'll leave you guys, and if you find this video, like you find value in this video, make sure you are subscribing to the channel, like this video, and share to your friends and share to friends as well. So bye bye for now. Peace out.